Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio here with the video number 901. We're demonstrating a radio out of a 78 Cadillac Dorado. This comes from my friends at Longmeadow Car Care in Richmond, Texas, and they have requested the modern internal conversion to increase the output power along with the Bluetooth function. And so we are here to make sure everything works before you send it back. So I've got it set to AM at the moment. Let's turn it on.
No, sweetie, these are recipes. And I took them home. And
while we've got it on talk radio, we're going to go ahead and demonstrate our balance and fader controls while it's on talk radio and we don't get nailed for copyright issues. Okay, I'm going to activate the front rear fader.
Where did you learn this stuff? Because back in the day, if you asked my kids what's mommy's specialty, they would say frozen nugget. Fader adjust.
Okay, so now this tone control is adjusting your front rear fader. All the way front, all the way rear, front, rear. Okay, I'm going to center them.
No, I kept them at fader.
Fader is set. Okay, left, right, balance.
Wait a second, did Fox
balance adjust?
Okay, so now our tone control is adjusting our left, right balance. All the way left, all the way right, left, right. Okay, center those.
Have you ever been? You've done that, haven't you?
I was balance set.
Okay, and make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. That's ready to go. Alrighty, now let's go to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. We don't need these anymore. Go to FM.
I'm busy. We have to get to this.
Available in hybrid.
Okay, so there's FM. And now let's try the 8-track. Neil Sedaka.
Every new Findlay Toyota comes with Toyota Care, our complimentary maintenance.
Alrighty, I'm going to hit the eject. Tape comes out. Radio comes back. Okay, let's make sure the dial light works. You can probably see it flashing on and off right through that little hole there. You can see it flashing on and off when I press and release the button. So we're good to go. Everything's ready to boogie, and this just happens to be the first unit on which I had to rewind a burned out track change solenoid. So that was kind of a neat little project too. So that completes the test. She's ready to go back to the customer. Going to ship today. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me for service by visiting the website in the description below. And before calling me with questions, print a work order. That will answer all your questions about my options, my prices, including options for turn time. A work order is required with each job to be included with it. So if you're serious about sending in your radio for repair, you're going to have to fill out a work order anyway. So go ahead and make that the first step towards finding out my prices and options and all that stuff. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you again, my friends at Longmeadow Car Care in Richmond, Texas, and we'll see you guys next time.